Bro actually negotiated for the whole snack pack and won. Neighborhood gossip requires teamwork.
No, I need that.
Nailed the landing, but the bed had other plans. This unblinking orange menace has mastered pure psychological warfare. When you skip leg day but the orangutan demands a workout. Forget litter boxes, this majestic king prefers the porcelain throne. That Velcro rip just completely reset this cat and Oppo's factory settings. When you want dinner but yoga is life. Just a peaceful stroll until the fur missiles initiated takedown. When you and Oppo's trying to find that one specific sock. That moment you realize the toy has zero chill. When your coworker decides your juice is actually community property.
I took the top off to my fish tank
He
because
wanted
he
a
keeps
quick
jumping
snack,
up there.
but got a bath instead.
So we're gonna see if he messes up.
Caught Red Pod but currently executing Act Natural Protocol. Meant to do that. Totally planned every single flip. Dog thought he was tough until the beaver chose violence. When your mattress topper doubles as a giant, forbidden chew toy. When you and Oppo's trying to walk but your tiny security detail persists. When your cat thinks your dinner is actually a parkour course. Orange cat chosen chaos instead of milk.
What are you doing?
When the 3 a.m. zoom eyes require a tactical ladder descent. Orange cats have exactly zero chill. Sibling rivalry over food, high stakes, low coordination. Bros getting continuous life sentences for being too cute. Dinner date or aggressive seed custody battle? You decide. When your reflection tries to throw hands and actually lands one. When your romantic moment gets brutally third-wheeled by a crow. Parkour. Bro really thought he was a flying squirrel. When your cat and Oppo's single brain cell completely loses signal. Throwing shapes or throwing hands? Either way, he and Oppo's killing it. Nothing like a fresh coat of beach sand to ruin your day. Mistakes were made, and immediate regret has set in. When your dishwasher's pre-rinse cycle is slightly too aggressive. Local dog fails physics class in spectacular fashion. Nailed the jump, completely tanked the landing. When the birthday card barks back, you attack. When you miscalculate your jump and gravity humbles your parkour dreams. This orange menace just pantsed me in broad daylight. When you order a facial but get an aggressive moose instead.
She likes it when you're not doing it.
When the host fights back and you clearly didn't end Oppo's plan ahead. When your new best friend gives you the ultimate jump scare. When your raw chicken decides to redecorate the kitchen counter. That single orange brain cell just reinvented the low-budget Roomba. When the food bowl rattles, physics ceases to exist. That's not a cushion, mate. That's breakfast ruin. When your squeaky toy is loud, but the side-eye is louder. When your horse gives you a kiss and a massive sneeze. When your friend in Oppo's dramatic exit completely steals your spotlight. When your dog mistakes a green lawn ornament for an alien invader. All that muscle, completely terrified of one tiny bug. When the morning alarm hits and you realize you exist. When curiosity accidentally launches a squeaky yellow rocket. One perfectly freshly brewed cup of cat, coming right up. Local orange cat aggressively delivers your annual performance review. That's one aggressive way to fold the laundry, kitty. When your cat takes cleaning the kitchen a bit too literally. High ground advantage, but the dark side slaps back. Parkour champion cat takes down a mirror in record time. Size doesn't matter when there's a giant ring on the line. When you identify as a dog but geometry says no. When your cat decides your microphone cord is a chew toy. When you pay for a safari but end up babysitting. When your worst enemy is just a shockingly handsome mirror.
My fault.
When your dog forgets he and Oppo's a good boy and becomes a dragon.
Yep.
This monkey and Oppo's treating that bald head like a shiny launch pad. When the laser pointer activates, it and Oppo's instant parkour mode. When you match their energy and they instantly regret opening up. Agent Orange attempting the ultimate treat vault heist. When the bag refuses to open, so you choose violence.
What are you doing?
When the Kleenex fights back and you lose.
Girlfriends.
Bro just got taken out by a furry speed bump. Touch the orange loaf, taste the immediate wrath of a jump scare. When the fake snake makes you question all 9 of your lives. When you realize WALK actually meant the vet. Curiosity sniffs out trouble and immediately regrets everything. Neighborhood watch canceled due to a sudden jump scare. When you ask for a kiss but get a concussion. When you realize the blue bag is actually a trained assassin. Curiosity trapped the cat, but the getaway was absolute perfection. Hand over the ball or face the fury.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
This cat burglar takes airing out your laundry way too literally. When you and Oppo's re-chilling and suddenly become the kitty WWE ring. Grand theft kibble in broad daylight. Bold move, trash panda. Redecorating the bathroom, one flying piece of litter at a time. One touch and bro instantly evolved into a T-Rex.
Oh my god.
When your safari comes with a complimentary roof inspection. Feline interior designer insists that frame looked better on the
Let's
floor.
get the second one! Oh my f***ing god!
Caught white-handed raiding the treat drawer again. When you sneeze so hard your kitchen cabinet files for divorce. When the cat takes if I fits, I sits too far. Bro thinks he's hunting, but that bird is purely digital. When the side eye is lethal, but the duck face persists.
Ultimate dad.
Gravity works. Just making sure for the millionth time. Bro really thinks he can rizz up a fridge magnet. Maximum porch lounging achieved. Gravity, 1, Piggy, 0. Me teaching my friend how to dramatically complain about absolutely nothing. When your 24-pack of water spawns a chaotic orange cat. Just hanging around, completely defeated by a tissue box. When you finally catch the guy who and oppos, ruining your life. When the toy car moves, everyone panics and scatters immediately. One standard dog, one mud monster, 0 regrets. Cat aggressively cancels cocktail hour. Cat.exe has crashed. Initiating emergency reverse protocol. When your date has 0 boundaries and a major chewing habit. Curiosity killed the cat, or just turned it into an astronaut. Kitty's learning kung fu to defeat the terrifying pink dancer. When your car trunk decides to fight back. Rookie mistake. When your dog thinks he's an acrobat and a lumberjack. When you and oppos, trying to hide, but your chunkiness betrays you. When the Stripe Cartel aggressively audits your drive-through snacks. Bro learned the hard way that giraffes don and oppos, do handshakes.
Why are you like this?
When you realize toilet paper ISN and oppos, TA toy.
No, it's art. Yes. Dude, no, stop. Stop trying to just grab as much as you can.
Bold strategy, pawn to e4, and the cat chooses violence. From dramatic whining to aggressive dining in record time. When you accidentally spam the emote button mid-fight. Step off my kibble, Roomba. Dinner requires social distancing. When the tiny Roomba gator activates maximum feline hyperdrive. Touch the butt, receive the wrath of 1,000 demons. When privacy means nothing, but the running water means everything.
Anyone ever seen a
This
zebra
barcode
chase
horse
tail?
definitely needs a software update.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.